Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how to add a Instagram button to your Wix.com website to make it easy for people to find your Instagram account. So if you want something like this, I'll teach you how in this tutorial. So it's pretty simple. Just go to your website editor like so. If you're on your dashboard, simply click up here on the side or down here at the left hand side. And then you should land on your front page of your website. From here, click on the plus button here and then go down to social and go to social bar. From here, you can choose from any of these bars here. So in this case, just to get something else, I'm going to choose this colorful one here. And then you can see you're getting it added here. Just drag it to where you want it on your website. And then we can customize it. So if you only want an Instagram button, you can click on set social links here. And we can click on the little trash icon here to remove all the other links here. Like this. And now the next step is simply to go to Instagram.com and go on your Instagram account and then copy the link up here. So copy this link here by clicking copy and then click and paste it down here. And now you can choose if it should open in a new window or in the current window. I recommend opening it in a new window just so people, they don't get referred away from your website. So they have the tab open for your website still. And once you're happy, click done here and click done. And then you have an Instagram icon up here. You can customize it further by clicking on the layout here, and you can choose the icon size and you can choose the spacing, but this only applies if you're more, of course. And yeah, you can also add some animation to it. So if you wanted to fade or do a float, you can do that. It's really up to you. But that is pretty much how you can add an Instagram link to your Wix.com account. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any other questions and I'll try my best to help you below.